Are you interested in making gourmet food at home, but you just don't have the time? Well, if that's the case, we have a recipe for you. It takes about 15 minutes, or less if you have the ingredients ready. The first step, we're going to make a coulis. You need a pot with boiling, very salted water. Cook spinach or rocket for 5 minutes. Press out as much of the water as possible, and blend with a tiny bit of olive oil. Next, get a bowl of diced salmon or tuna. Add a drop of Tabasco and fish sauce. Add chopped herbs of your choice, a tiny bit of minced shallot, and mix well. This shouldn't need any salt because of the fish sauce. Next, start plating the coulis. Today I'm using a pipette. You can use a squeeze bottle, or simply just spoon on the sauce. This style of plating can be frustrating, but once you get it, it is quite satisfying. A good technique is to keep your hand in the same place and then move the plate away from you, like this. And then keep going around until you have a nice shape. If all the dots don't line up perfectly, no worries, it'll still look great. Also for this recipe, you want to make sure that your plate is very cold and very dry, otherwise the coulis can split. Okay, now for the avocado ball. Remove the pit and slice thinly widthwise. About 2 or 3 millimeters per slice is good. Now make a ball out of the salmon or tuna, about this size. Set aside some of the smaller pieces for another recipe. Now using a knife or a spatula, lay the slices on top of the ball. Then wrap with some cling film. I'm using 3 sheets of cling film for extra strength. Gently wrap the ball and then twist. Keep in mind that avocados ripe on the harder side work best for this. If they're too soft, you'll just get guacamole. So roll into a nice ball and remove the plastic. Now using a spoon, transfer it to the plate. Now garnish with a bit of caviar, although today I'm using lumpfish roe, which is almost as impressive but a bit more economical. Now for a bit of color, I'm just using some chamomile from the garden, but herb leaves work well too. And there you are. 10-15 minutes later and you're ready to serve. If you have the salmon ready and the coulis ready, it takes a matter of minutes. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. Happy cooking.